back, are you gonna tell me where you went? All the messages I sent with no reply. It's like that. You're just gonna walk into my room. I hate how you assume I'll take the pleasure and the pain, the sorrows in your brain. Cause I know you.
Oh, hi V.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good.
Hi, Sacha. Very good. I know. Niko poa sana.
Sasa L, uko poa? Nimekuja.
Nimemalizia na 30 days challenge.
Yeah.
Wow. Congratulations.
Thank you. Yeah, I'm so happy.
You're looking so nice.
Oh, you too.
Thank you.
Umetumia product gani kwanza?
I've used the illegal for coverage.
Love the glow. Yeah, so I'm here today. So basically, I know I touched this, but I didn't like give you the whole details because I do want you to be on your best behavior and lie to my viewers. Yeah, so basically I just want to do a short review of where people can buy genuine products. Swali ya kwanza, products zenyu ni genuine?
100%. I do the sourcing, so I get the best.
So because I know, okay, I'm on YouTube. Karibuni sana, be in progress. This is the video for you guys. So basically, most of the people, especially when I was doing the challenge, everyone keeps asking, like, where can I get genuine products in town? Because we all know fake products are so many in Nairobi. It's so hard to even tell the fake and the original. Yeah, so I thought, like, I've been coming here for 2 years now.
Yes, 2 years.
Yeah, so I thought of just doing a review and showing guys where you can get genuine products in Nairobi.
That can save you, gotta do that makeup, boo. Do that makeup, do that makeup. You've only got 10 minutes, so put your face on. Foundation first, but don't forget.
I guess you're back. Are you gonna tell me where you went?
For me, I know you, yes. But who are you? Tell the guys who you are.
Oh, I'm Cecilia Kabura. I'm a beauty health enthusiast. I'm a nurse by profession, but I have this passion for beauty. That's why I started buttercup, cosmetics, pharmacy. Yeah, we started back in Chumi, and now we are at Sawa Mall, Moi Avenue, just opposite
Ibrahim.
Opposite Ibrahim's, the former Ibrahim market. Yes.
Yeah, so how long have you guys been here?
I've been in business for 3 to 4 years now. Yes.
Yeah, so that's Cecilia for you guys, the owner of VitaFarm. You can check them on IG and Facebook. VitaFarm Pharmacy and Cosmetics.
VitaFarm Cosmetics and Pharmacy. Facebook. In Instagram is at L.A Girl Cosmetics Lovers.
Oh, L.A Girl Cosmetics Lovers. Oh,
that's why in Instagram called L.A Girl Cosmetics Lovers.
Oh,
that was our first brand to introduce in the market.
Oh, so what other brands do you guys have?
We are authorized sellers of Maybelline. We stock Revlon. We stock L.A Colors. We stock Rebel. We stock Black Opal. We stock Zaron. And
wow, the Zaron lovers.
Yeah, and many more brands. We have a lot of products, a lot of skincare products.
Yeah, so guys, we'll be going in the products in a few, but just to ask, like, how do you differentiate between like genuine products and fake products? Like, how do you order? Because again, sometimes you check the L.A Girl, the original and the fake one, they're almost the same. So like, how do you get, where do you get your products from?
For our products, we source them directly from the manufacturers. We source them directly. So in case there's a problem or any issue, we know how to follow up. Yes. So that's how I make sure that I get the original products, because I get them from the real manufacturers of the product, from USA, from UK, from Trinidad. Yes.
Yeah, so apart from sending the products, like for example when your clients come in, like what's the process between, especially if I'm new, because most of these questions come from new people who are interested in beauty. You find like they don't even know where to start. So like I come in, I'm a newbie, I don't know anything. So what's like the process you guys take a new person in the makeup journey to get the right product?
So when we have new customers, we welcome them, and we ask we check their skin tone. We ask them about their skin type. Then we do the test. You can always assess the skin type of the client when she comes. Then we take her through the process of the makeup. Like your skin type is oily, so you need these products. Your skin type is dry, so you need this product. We take you through the full procedure. That is from skincare routine, which is very important, to now primer, concealers, foundation, powder, setting powder, setting spray, and everything, and also how to remove the makeup.
Wow.
Yes.
You guys, you got covered. Yeah, so I think from there, not unless you have something maybe you want to add, I think we can just take the guys through the products and all that. We can also do like some skin test for you guys. For the people who don't know how to do their foundation test, we're gonna be doing that for you guys in this video. Yeah, so just to wind it up, like why choose Vitafarm?
When you choose Vitafarm, you choose kindness, you choose self-love, and here it's we treat all ladies equally. We listen to them. It's like a therapy. When you come to Vitafarm, it's like a therapy. Most women come here, they are depressed, you have your issues. So when you come here, we listen to you, and when you live here, you live feeling good, feeling satisfied, because customer satisfaction is our goal here.
Wow.
Yes.
That's so amazing. And like I keep saying, when you look good, you will definitely feel good. Let's dive into the products, guys.
You're back. Are you gonna tell me where you went? All the messages I sent with no reply. It's like that. You're just gonna walk into my room. I hate how you assume I'll take the pleasure and the pain, the sorrows in your brain, 'cause I know you're on the run. I'll take the pleasure and the pain, your secrets to my grave.
Yeah, okay guys, I'm here with these beautiful models, beautiful models. These are the people who will be attending to you when you visit the shop, and we're just gonna be doing some foundation tests so that you see how that goes on. Yeah, all the melanin shades represented, you say, all the three. Yeah, and she is...
Hi guys, welcome to Vita Farm. My name is Lekan.
L.
I'm Liz.
Liz.
Yes.
Yeah, so let's do some foundation test. Yeah, so we're gonna be doing her foundation test, and we have these three testers. They are close to her skin shade, and so we're just gonna swatch them on her skin so that we get her foundation shade. Yeah.
The only one, 'cause you are the only one. The only There will always be a place for you by my side, day or night. You know that it's killing me. Why do you always leave? It's not right. We don't fight, but I know what you've been through. I'll take the pleasure and the pain, the sorrows in your brain, 'cause I know you're on the run. I'll take the pleasure and the pain, your secrets to my grave, 'cause you are the only one.
Hi guys, my name is Liz and I'm your product consultant at Vita Farm. We welcome you to Vita Farm, where quality meets quantity. Be sure to we'll meet here at Vita Farm when you shop. Thank you guys.
Yeah, so guys, that is Vita Farm for you. I'll make sure to put all their details down below. Check them out, check them on social media, and definitely visit their store. Yeah, Cecilia, anything else?
Oh, thank you for having me on the channel. I'm glad. Yes, and I have something for you here.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Okay.
I want you to review this product.
Uh-huh.
Yes, and give us the feedback.
I sure will.
Yeah.
You know my reviews are true. Yeah.
And something else,
Uh-huh.
we have been nominated at the Kenya Beauty and Cosmetics Awards 2019 as the best online and retail store. So the link will be available.
Yes.
So I'm kindly asking you to vote for us.
Please
So
vote for them. I'll put the link down here also. Please check it out and vote. Vote. Yeah, so guys, thank you so much for staying tuned. Thank you so much for going through this video to the end. Please don't forget to subscribe down below. Hit on that post notification bell so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. And definitely check Vita Farm and give this video a big thumbs up. Yeah, till next week guys.
Bye.
Bye.